All right, so let's talk about the affiliate funnel. Now, first of all, if you don't know what a funnel is, it's basically a system or a strategy of trying to get leads into your business, and you're trying to close a sale during the process and also building a relationship during this process. And a funnel is used by both offline and online businesses. Now, in the internet marketing world, a typical internet marketing funnel will look like this. It'll be a squeeze page or a landing page that a lead will first see. And this is where you offer them something for free in return for their email address. Okay, and this free gift can be anything. It can be a free ebook, a software, a checklist, free video. And if you don't like creating products, you could always hire someone to do it for you, or you can just buy the rights to a product. You could buy the giveaway rights, the resale rights, or the private label rights. Okay, or you actually don't even have to buy. A lot of these rights are offered for free. You can just do a Google search for PLR or giveaway rights or resale rights. And after they sign up for the free gift, they'll automatically be brought to a page where you offer them something for sale, something related to the free product. And then after, if they do decide to purchase that product, they'll be brought to another page, which is called an upsell page, where you could try to sell them another product related to the other products in your funnel. And some funnels can have several upsells. For me personally, I feel comfortable just having two or three upsells. You could also have a downsell where if someone uh, turns down or rejects your upsell, they'll be offered a downsell offer, which is basically for the same product but at a lower price point and with just less benefits. So, for example, they just won't get the bonuses that were offered in the original upsell offer. Now, the problem with building funnels is that it is time consuming. So that's what's great about affiliate funnels. The quickest way to monetize a funnel is just to promote affiliate products in the funnel, and you don't have to worry about creating products, and also you don't even have to worry about the customer support because you're promoting someone else's product. And if you're an affiliate marketer, this is what you should be doing anyways because it's a lot more effective than driving traffic directly to affiliate offers. And besides, it usually takes several exposures to an offer before someone buys. So by collecting leads, you can follow up with them and send them more follow ups and increase your conversions. Now, to increase your chances of success with this type of funnel, you should try to have a consistent theme throughout the funnel. So, for example, your squeeze page should look like the affiliate products sales page and have the same headline and bullet points. You should also have a bridge page that again has text similar to that of the sales page. I'll show you an example of a bridge page in a later video.